like a lot of the listeners out there wouldn't be familiar with the term service agreement, like especially the Australian audience. Do you want to give us a bit of a rundown of what that is and why that's important for you to, like, as a metric when you're looking at acquiring a company?
Yeah, well, I can tell you that service agreements is the future of the whole home service business. If you're ignoring it and you don't want to be part of it, I'll blow you out of the water, guaranteed. I'll tell you why a service agreement is important, and I'll explain to you what it is. So there's a book everybody needs to read called The Automatic Customer. It's a game changer. It'll change your life. If you think about what Amazon Prime does, they get you on a service. You're on a service agreement for them. You're paying for Prime. Anything you can do for a pay each month where you know what you're paying for and you're getting it. So with a service agreement, you're getting out there every month, every 6 months, every year. There's certain benefits they get from it, and it's expected money coming in. The average service agreement lifetime value of the customer is 3 times more. So if I sell you a service agreement, basically what I'm doing is I'll explain, Matt, here's what we're going to do today. I'm going to get you a bottom strut. I'm going to get you an operator reinforcement bracket. I'm going to give you a surge protector to invest your investment. I'm going to get you all this stuff. Then we're going to come out once a year, give you a complete door tune-up. All for this service agreement. It's $10 a month. Right. And then we're going to give you 15% off of our price book. We're also going to give you priority dispatching. And here's the good thing, Matt, is you're going to need to replace the door probably 3-4 years down the road. And when you do, we're going to save you an incredible amount of money, and we're going to keep all these old parts on, and we're going to allow you to have a transferable warranty. So if you ever need to move the house, move to a new home, you'll be able to transfer this warranty. So the whole point of this is I want to be the one waiting in line to replace that garage door. And this started out in the HVAC, plumbing, electrical business. And those customers are expected income. If I've got 10,000 customers, I know I'm getting $100,000 a month, every single month, mailbox money.
Yeah.
Plus, I know I'm next in line to